In part 1 and 2, we have done from 1 to 8. Today we will start with sum number 9. So let's start. From the adjoining figure, find the area of A, B, C. ABC is a triangle, and as it is a triangle, and don't forget to see what type of triangle is this. This is a right angle triangle. So in this triangle, my base is 3, my height is 4. What is the formula of a triangle? Formula of area of a triangle. Area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. So half I have written. Base is unknown. Base is known, which is given. AB is my base, which is 3. Height is 4. So 2, 3, 2s are 6. Whenever we find out the area, we write unit square. So as here the unit is centimeter, so we will write centimeter square or square centimeter. So the answer of number 1 is 6 centimeter square. Now number 2, the question is given length of BC. This BC is unknown. If it is a right angle triangle, so this is my hypotenuse. This is my hypotenuse. This is base. This is perpendicular. AB is given 3 centimeter. AC is given 4 centimeter. Only BC is unknown. In a right angle triangle, according to the Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, what we know? That hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is what? BC, which is missing. Perpendicular is given what? AC whole square, which is already given the value. Base is AB whole square. So BC unknown to us. AC 4 square. AB 3 square. So BC whole square equal to 16 plus 9. So BC whole square equal to 25 and BC equal to root of 25. So whenever we remove this square, we have to find out the root of the number. So 25's root is 5. So my answer will be 5 centimeter. So length of BC equal to, we will write 5 centimeter. Number 2 is also done. Let's do number 3. In number 3, it is given length of altitude from A to BC. Mean we have to find out the value of AD. So BC value we have got what? 5 centimeter. If I do this, we have got the area of the triangle is 6 centimeter. If I take this as my base, this is my height, then we have to write that area equal to what? Half into base into height. Area we have got how much? 6. So first I am writing half. The formula is base. I am considering this is my base. This is my height. Base we have got 5. Height we have to find out the value of D. We were writing height. So total area is 6 centimeters. So let's write 6. Done. So height equal to 6. This half is changing from left to right will become only 2, and this 5 is going on this side, so it will become into 1 by 5. So 6 2s are 12 by 5. Let's do division. 5 2s are 10, 2 point and then put a 0, 5 4s are 20. So 2.4 centimeter. So from the length of altitude from A to BC is how much? 2.4 centimeter. Number 3 also answer we have got. Number 10, a rectangular garden. Can you see the garden on my right side? Yes. It is 80 meter by 40 meter. This is the measurement of the rectangular garden. Now is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. By what? By 2 cross paths wide, 2.5 meter wide. The width of the road is 2.5 meter. We have to find the area of the cross path. We have to find the area of this cross path. Can you see? If I consider this as a rectangle, so here is one rectangle, here is other rectangle. So what is the length? My length is 80 meter. So the path length is also 80 meter and the width is here 2.5 meter. So one side path. Now we are finding out the area of path. Area of path. First I am doing, see this is, this side length is 80 meter into 2.5. 80 into 2.5 equal to 200. As it is in meter, so we will write square meter. So the area of the path across the length is my 200 square meter. Now across the breadth, see already I have considered this as a whole. So here I will take 2.5. This part is quite crucial. Why? Because the length was 80 I have considered, but in breadth, see, I cannot take from here to here total 40 because this part already counted across the length. So this part will be removed. So if I want to remove this part, my breadth is how much? 40. But 2.5, this is 40. But 2.5 already have taken in this length, so minus 2.5 if I do. So what will be my length out here? 37.5 meter. Now area across the breadth, what will be my area? So this will be 37.5 into the breadth of the path is 2.5. We will write square meter. So let's multiply 37.5 into 2.5. If I multiply 37.5 into 2.5, it will come around 93.75. Don't forget to write square meter. Now we will write total area of the path. Total area of the path. What should we do? Total, how can we find out? This part is 200 plus this is 93.75 square meter. So it will be 293.75 square meter. The total area of the path is 293.75. The area of the cross path, how much we have got? 293.75. So number 1 answer we have got. Now we have to find out the area of the unshaded portion. How can we find out the area of the unshaded portion? First we have to know the total area of this rectangular garden. Area of the rectangular garden. Area of the rectangular. Number 2 we are doing. Area of the rectangular garden. What is length into breadth? Length is 80, breadth is 40. So it will be 3200 square meter. Now the path, the total area of the path need to be removed to get the area of the unshaded region. So area of unshaded region. What should we do to area of the unshaded region? Total is 3200 minus area of the shaded region we have got 293.75 square meter. So if I do subtraction, it will be 2906.25 square meter. So the area of the unshaded portion is 2906.25. Number 1 answer is 293.75. Number 2 is 2906.25. So number 10 we have completed. Number 11, in the joining figure, look at my figure. This is ABCD. Is a rectangle. We have to find the area of the shaded region. This is a shape of a triangle, but here nothing, not even a single side of a triangle is known to us. So how can we find out the area of the region? It's quite interesting. Though the area of triangles nothing is known, but the rectangle ABCD, each and every part is mentioned. And see, this part from here to here, it is a triangle. From A, B and this part is again a triangle. Again this part is triangle. So from here we can find out, if I know the total area of the rectangle, and we can find out. So total area of the rectangle is how much? Let us find out. Total area. So total area of the rectangle is, we know what? Length into breadth. So the total length of the rectangle is 18. I wrote breadth is 12. Don't forget to write square centimeter. Let's multiply and write. So we will write 216 square centimeter. Okay. So total area we know. Now we have to find out the area of each triangle. One triangle, number 1 triangle. This is number 2 triangle, number 3 triangle. So let us find out the area of triangle 1. Area of triangle 1. If I consider this is my length, this must be my, this is my base, this is my height. We know area of a triangle is half into base into height. So this is half. My base, if I take you can consider 12 as a base or as well as 10 as base. So if I take 12 as base, my height will be 10. So cancel 60 square centimeter. Area of first triangle is 60 square centimeter. Now let us find out area of triangle 2. Area of triangle 2, let's see what. Here it is mentioned the height. If I consider this is my base, this must be my height. Height is given 7 and my base is how much? 18. So let's write half into base into height. Half base is 18. Height is 7. So let's do 963 square centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of triangle 3. See, in this triangle 3, nothing is known. Each side nothing is known, neither the base nor the height. The total breadth is 18. So total length is 18. From here to this much is 10. Definitely this part is 8. Again, total breadth. The breadth of the rectangle is 12. From this part 7. So this part must be 5. 7 plus 5, 12. So half into base, if I take 5, height will be my 8. So 5 4s are 20 square meter. Now to get the area of this shaded region, what we have to do? We have to add the total area of 3 triangles. So let's write total area of unshaded region. I'm not writing triangle, but I'm writing unshaded region. See, the triangles are unshaded. So let's write total area of unshaded region is how much? First triangle 60. Second triangle 63. Third triangle 20. So let's write, let's add and write 3, 6 to 8, 8 and 6 how much? 8 and 6, 14 square centimeter. Now see, to get the area of the shaded region, what we have to do? Total area minus unshaded region. Total area minus unshaded region. We will get the value of the shaded region. So total area is how much we have got? 260. So let's write 216 minus unshaded region is how much? 143. So let's do subtraction. 73 square centimeter is the answer. We have got what is the area of the shaded region? The area of the shaded region is 73 square centimeter. Number 11 also we have completed. In the joining figure, ABCD is a square grassy lawn. Okay. The area of the lawn is given what? 729 meters square. A path of uniform width. Though in drawing it is not looking uniform, but actually it is a uniform path, okay? With rounds all around it. If the area of the path is also given, mean this area of the path which is given 295, and then we have to find out the boundary of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. We have to find out the length of the boundary. Length is how much of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. So how can we find out? See, we don't know each side of the square. So let the each side of each side square grassy lawn is A. We know the formula for area is what? Area is A square. But here area is given 729. So we can write that A square equal to 729. So we will write A equal to what? 729. If I want to remove the square, we have to put the root over here, and 729 is 27 into 27. So A equal to 27 centimeter. So each side of the land is 27 centimeter. The length of the boundary of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. We have to find out the boundary. This boundary is how much? So let's find out the each side of the big square. We don't know this one also. I'm considering this as capital A. Including path, we will write including path. Including path, each side is capital A centimeter. If it is meter, capital C meter, so area will be how much? Area will be A square. Now what we know, to find the path we have to subtract the area of the big square minus area of the small square. So area of the big square is A square. We have got small square area is given 729. Equal to how much it is given? 295. If I do the subtraction, we will get the area of the path which is given 295. So A square equal to 295. 729 will come here and will become plus 729. So 729 plus 295 is how much? That we have to find out. So A square equals to 295 plus 729 equal to 1024. So 1024 root over is how much? That we have to find out. So A equal to root, if you want to remove it, we will write that 1024 32 into 32. So A equal to 32 centimeter. Now we have got what is the measurement of the each side including the part, that is 32 centimeter. In the first question, it is given the length of the boundary, the same of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. So boundary mean 4 side, multiplication of 4 sides. So if each side measure 32 centimeter, so 4 sides will be how much? 32 into 4. That is 4 2s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 122 centimeter. So what is the length of the boundary? The length of the boundary will be 122 centimeter. Now number 2. Number 2, the question it is given that we have to let the each side of the square grassy lawn the width of the path. Width of the path, how can we measure? This is each side including path and each side excluding path. Each side including path is 32 meter. Excluding path, it is 27 meter. So the 32 minus 27, 5 meter, but it is divided into 2 parts. This 5 meter mean here and here. Together, if I do the addition, then it becomes 5. So each side width of the path is width of the path 5 by 2, that is 2.5 meter. So the width of the path is 2.5. Why? Here 2.5, here 2.5. Together it becomes 5. So width of the path we have got 2.5 meter. This is the answer of 12. So we have done 1 to 12 in 3 parts. If you have not watched the previous video, you can watch the video by clicking on the link in the description box. So We have completed all the sums of 18.1. Do subscribe the channel and thank you for watching.